Hi everyone, it's Ivy Cards again, and today we are going to make fish balls with sauce. First, we are going to steam our fish. So I have that pot with water and a steamer, and the fish that I'm using is tilapia fillet, and I have 4 slices. So you can use galunggong as well or what have you. So we're gonna steam this for 10 minutes until it's really soft before we can really crush the fish. I-crush jud ang fish na. So kana siya tilapia, pwede galunggong kung naamo, or pwede po siguro manok no. So we are going to do this for 10 minutes. However, our ingredients are already ready, but I'll tell you what we will use later on. So now I think this is ready, and we're just gonna check if it's already soft, and I think it is. And yes, this is the perfect softness of the fish. Sorry about the background noise. It's tennis. My husband is watching TV right now. So yeah, so we're just gonna take out all the fish and make sure drain the water, of course. And then we are going to smash the fish. I like really crush the fish into smaller, tiny pieces. Okay, so yeah, the good thing about this tilapia, it's really easy to steam it. I mean, it steams really fast. So wala siya, pas-pas siya maluto. Nahumok siya ba? Siya, i-crush ni mo. Hantod gagmay jud kaayo until it's really tiny, right? So meanwhile, we are going to make our sauce, and we will have 2 cups of water. We are going to let it boil, and then we are going to have 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Let it dissolve. So make sure it's totally dissolved. And then next would be, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, like that, 2. And then we will add, let's mix it, and then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour. And then you can add in your spices like garlic, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and then we have onion, 1/4 cup of onion, and then mix thoroughly. Okay, and then next would be, we are going to put a little salt, and then you can add in some pepper as well. And then we have red chilli, which I really like if you want it a little bit spicy. Pero siya kani siya nga sili, dili kani siya halang. So it's okay. And that. And then to make it sticky, you can add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add it gradually until it becomes sticky, like that. And then you can lower the heat. Tapos dungagan na po nato cornstarch until you like the consistency of your sauce. Na siya. So I made the sauce first because of course pag maluto na ang ato ang fishball, katilaw-tilaw tanan ay sauce taan, di ba? But you can do the sauce later at the end. But I just wanna do it first. You can do this while you're steaming your fish, by the way. And yeah, so I think this is almost ready. And then we are just going to transfer it in a container. And so here is our sauce. It smells sweet, a little bit spicy. For our mixture, we have 3/4 cup cornstarch, 1/2 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/3 cup water, 2 teaspoon sugar, pepper, salt, grated carrots, onions, spring onions, and garlic. So basically, we are just going to mix all these ingredients together and mix it thoroughly so that we can have an even mixture of our fish balls. So we are just gonna transfer the grated fish, grated. So we have our flour, and then like I said, just mix everything together. It doesn't matter which one goes first. And then we have our flour, or I think cornstarch first, and then flour, baking powder, and then we have sugar, and then pepper, and then we have salt. I use Himalayan salt here, and then our water, and lastly our spices with the grated carrots. So put everything together and then mix thoroughly. You can add a little bit of water if you like, and this is the consistency that I like. Yeah, so you don't want to commercialize it by adding a lot of flour and water, because the taste would not be so rich. So yeah, it's actually good. It tastes really good, to be honest. And then we are going to heat our pan with our oil, and then take 2 spoons, duha ka spoon, kutsara, tapos scoop lang nato and form it circle round like a ball. It wouldn't be so perfect, but kuan maano data kuan katulgon man ko eh. Okay, there you go. And then so you can put a lot, because fortunately di po siya magdikit-dikit, so you will know that it's already like almost done because mag-float na siya. So at first it will sink because it's dense, and then the flour would expand, of course, so it will be less dense. Tapos lutaw na din siya, float na din siya sa oil, like that. So that's already golden brown. That's almost good. So I'm just gonna put it like 30 seconds more, or no, that's already good. All right, yeah, so brown na siya. This is our fishbowl now. It's almost done, and it's ready to eat. So we're just gonna cook some more. It's easy, right? Now it's time to taste it. Here we go. So to be honest, it tastes so good. It's not because I made it, but it's just good. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.